Name classification, the fractures and the dislocation. In part 3 we are looking at the Powell and the Gardner's classification. Powell and Gardner is used for the fracture of the neck of femur. Then looking at the Judet as well as the Letournel. Judet and the Letournel is used for the fracture of the acetabulum. Now looking at the Pimkin. Pimkin's classification is nothing but the fracture head of femur. And the Boyd as well as Griffin. Boyd and Griffin is nothing but the fracture of the intertrochanter femur. Then looking at the Thompson and Epstein. The Thompson and Epstein, they are nothing but the posterior dislocation. This is of the hip. Thompson and Epstein. Now looking at the Winquist and Hansen. Winquist and Hansen is for the fracture of the shaft of femur. Now looking at Hawkins. In Hawkins, there's a fracture of the neck of talus. And finally looking at the Badow's classification. Badow's classification is for the Monteggia fracture dislocation.